Hey guys, what's going on? This video is on my LG water filter replacement. This is compatible with LT1000P /PC/PCS. So this is for my LG refrigerator. The water filter to me is super important, especially because of where I live, and I'm sure in so many other parts of the world and country too, there's contaminants in the water. I live in Long Island, New York, and the water here is known to kind of be bad and filled with pollution and contaminants. So this really helps to remove that. And it's very easy to be replaced and lasts about 6 months. So this will give you a good 6 months of cleaner, fresher tasting water. And I'll go ahead and show you guys. This is my LG refrigerator. Of course, it is compatible with other LG refrigerators as well. But here it is. And this is where the filtered water comes out of. And it's cleaner for myself, my family, and also my pets. I always make sure I give them the filtered water just because I get nervous, and the water really actually tastes excellent with this. All the directions are here. The model and part number are listed here as well, and it's tested and certified by NSF. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and you could choose to get 1 pack, and I think they sell them in 3 and 4 packs as well. I usually just get them 1 piece at a time, but that's totally up to you. Highly suggest it. The water filter is a must in my house, so I highly suggest it for you guys if you want cleaner, fresher water.